Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2019 Ram Classic SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E2227P. 19,000 miles. And this Ram comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seat 6 cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, with even more storage below. Sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Ram is very unique as the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Backup camera. Spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Hinges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Cup holders and storage in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Out of the way for a middle passenger, with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with the owner's manual inside, overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Ram has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.